Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to make JavaScript validation form. So let's start. First of all, the main structure of the validation form is here. When we click on submit button, if the box is empty and not between length that we are given, then it will give error. So let's start. First of all, I show you the HTML code. HTML code is here. Here is something I want to tell you. First of all, we write HTML code and then form, starting the form action method, as you know. But here some but here name must be entered in form because this name is needed in the JavaScript validation form. And one more thing, submit. But this will be, you are understand very clearly when I make the JavaScript validation forms. So let's start. But I write table rows and their table data and labels. I use labels. And one more thing, name, all the boxes name must be entered in here. Users name, the first name of the box first name is users, and then pass name, and these names we will used in the validation form. So let's start. First of all, click file, new, and we write JavaScript form. Here first we make a function form validation. Here first of all we write a variable and give any name. For example, I will name first of all our is name, so we write a user us name. And here first of all document, then the name of the form is registration, so we copy from here and write from here dot the name of the box, first box name, our first box name is user, so we write from here user. Then we make a new function user id. Here we give two variables, that is variable and parameters we write from here. First of all we write three p minimum and maximum, and here if here we write a variable var write id, and here we write p dot value dot length, and here write we apply a condition if id is equal to 0 or id minimum mi or id maximum mx, then show the alert message. Please id must be between must be between 5 to 8, and return false, else return true. True. No, here we apply one more condition, if condition, that is in this condition we write the name of variable US, because all these document.registration.user is in the US, and then we write from here, we call this function user ID from here, user ID, and giving the values, replace the P US with US, and minimum 5 and maximum 8. Save it. We write here valid v.js, save from here. And one more thing, done. One more thing, on submit button, giving the function that we are from here, form validation, and this function now we put from here. And one more thing, return must be used, because if we are not using return, then it will give the not giving the result, because we use from here return false and return true. If this condition is false, then it will show the error. If this condition is true, then it will show the true. And so that is why we must be used from here return. One more thing, that is in script source we must be use the name that we are given by the given by the JavaScript code, that is v.js. So we write here v.js. So save it and also save it, and so run from here. So it run from here. It will give the error. So let's find the error. We must be write these conditions and return false. So now again save it and run it in your browser. No, it will give same error. Guys, very simple problem, that the length I will write from this type. When we write full form, it will be right. So this function form validation we call from HTML code, form action on submit button, return from validation, and nothing else. So